So, good morning and good morning, sir. So, this is my drawing. So, cross with letter and dam and book, which means Bible, family, other people, and of course, school or education. So, first is this. It's about God. God is our Savior. Um, God also the reason why I'm here today, and God also the reason nganong nanikamot ko para sa kaugmaang nako o para po sa akong pamilya. Then next is family. This is the reason, they are the reason why I need to be strong, to be brave, even though we face any challenges or struggle in life. Then I need to stand para sa ilaha. And then, other people, don't you upaw. So, other people, mong appeal ko din ako sila kay this is they are the reason nga kanang like for example kanang even though nga underestimate ka sa mga tao or gibully ka or gibasabber ka, dili nato himuon nga kanang mo na ato ang weak, sila atong weak ilang mga negative thoughts about gikan sa atong pamilya and also sa ato ang kaugalingon. Himuon nato og strength. So next is education. So the reason why education because kanang this is the first part nga kanang need na ko nga kanang mo strive, mo stand up para sa akong pamilya and for other people. Kay if tagaan ko sa Ginoo, if i-guidean jud ko niya matag adlaw nga makahuman ko giskwela, maka-finish ko giskwela is I want to help my family kanang naay mga gamit like balay, lupa, negosyo, and after that kanang after matabangan akong pamilya is I want also to help other people. If ang Ginoo naghatag nato og blessings, and also kita pod I want to share of the blessing that give to God to other people. That's all. Thank you.